Welcome back to Speed Society, your ultimate destination for the most powerful, stylish, and exciting motorcycles on the planet. Today, we're diving into something truly bold, a machine that fuses art and engineering in one breathtaking package, the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. The Fury has always been Honda's answer to the custom chopper scene, delivering that long, stretched-out design and raw street attitude, but with the reliability and smoothness that only Honda can offer. For 2026, the Fury returns sharper, meaner, and more refined than ever before, redefining what a factory-built chopper can be. The legacy of the 2026 Honda Fury Chopper. When Honda first introduced the Fury, it broke boundaries. Here was a production motorcycle that looked and felt like a hand-built custom, yet came with Honda's flawless engineering. Over the years, it became a symbol of rebellion, confidence, and individuality, a chopper that didn't compromise on ride quality or dependability. The 2026 Honda Fury carries that legacy forward with pride. It's still the wild child in Honda's lineup, but now it brings modern upgrades and fine detailing that elevate its character. It remains unapologetically long, low, and muscular, a cruiser that turns heads whether parked or rolling down the highway. Design and aesthetic. If there's one thing that defines the Honda Fury, it's design. The 2026 model continues the chopper's signature silhouette, a stretched front end, low-slung frame, and sculpted body lines that look like they were carved from metal. The elongated 71.2-inch wheelbase gives it that unmistakable custom chopper stance, while the narrow 21-inch front wheel and fat rear tire create an aggressive contrast. For 2026, Honda has enhanced the Fury's aesthetic with new metallic paint finishes, including midnight red pearl, steel gray metallic, and shadow black matte. The paint depth and chrome detailing have been improved for a richer, deeper shine. The minimalistic fenders, teardrop fuel tank, and exposed frame give it an industrial yet elegant look. Every angle of the Fury screams craftsmanship, sleek, lean, and pure attitude. Even the frame itself, visible beneath the tank and engine, becomes part of the visual statement. The Fury looks like a custom-built machine straight from a high-end chopper garage, yet it's all Honda precision underneath. Engine and performance. Powering the 2026 Fury is Honda's proven 1,312 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, a power plant that delivers both brute strength and buttery smooth performance. Producing around 58 horsepower and 89 newton-meters of torque, it offers effortless low-end pull and a rich, throaty exhaust note that gives this chopper its soul. The engine's single-pin crankshaft provides that deep, signature rumble that cruiser enthusiasts crave, while the programmed fuel injection, PGMFI, ensures crisp throttle response in any weather. Honda has tuned the exhaust for 2026 to sound even more aggressive, with a more pronounced growl at mid-range revs. The 5-speed transmission pairs beautifully with the engine's torque curve, making it ideal for long highway cruises or relaxed city rides. The shaft drive system, a signature Honda feature, keeps things smooth, clean, and low maintenance. This isn't just power for show, it's power you can live with every day. Handling and comfort. Despite its intimidating looks, the 2026 Honda Fury is remarkably easy to handle. Honda's engineering keeps the ride balanced and predictable, even with its extended geometry. The raked-out 32 degrees front fork provides that stretched look but doesn't compromise stability. The lightweight aluminum swing arm and hidden rear shock offer a surprisingly comfortable ride, smoothing out bumps while maintaining that slammed chopper profile. The low 26.9-inch seat height makes the Fury approachable for riders of different sizes, and the forward-mounted controls deliver a classic stretched-out riding position. At 663 pounds, 301 kilograms, it feels solid on the highway, planted in corners, and easy to maneuver at low speeds. Technology and features. While the Fury stays true to its old-school chopper roots, Honda has introduced modern refinements to enhance the 2026 experience. The lighting is now fully LED, with a sharp, round headlight that fits its custom aesthetic. The digital analog instrument cluster blends classic looks with essential ride data like fuel level, gear indicator, and trip information. Honda's ABS braking system now comes standard, offering peace of mind on every ride. The brakes feature a single large 336mm front disc and a 296mm rear disc, giving reliable stopping power without taking away from the clean look. The updated fuel mapping improves both throttle response and efficiency, helping the Fury maintain impressive fuel economy for its size. Riding experience. Riding the 2026 Honda Fury is an experience unlike any other. The stretched-out geometry and long frame give it that unmistakable chopper feel. You're riding a piece of rolling art. The torque-rich V-twin engine delivers steady, commanding acceleration, and the deep exhaust note makes every twist of the throttle satisfying. At cruising speeds, the Fury glides effortlessly, with minimal vibration and steady control. Upgrades for 2026. For 2026, Honda has introduced a few key updates. The engine mapping has been refined for smoother power delivery and cleaner emissions. The suspension tuning has been adjusted for a more compliant ride, especially on uneven roads. The paint and chrome finishes have been upgraded for better durability, and the LED lighting system adds both visibility and style. Who is this bike for? The Honda Fury Chopper isn't for everyone, and that's exactly why it's special. It's built for riders who want to stand out, who see their motorcycle as an extension of their personality. It's perfect for those who crave that old-school chopper look but want the reliability, comfort, and engineering excellence that Honda delivers. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Honda Fury Chopper is expected to start around $11,999, positioning it as one of the most affordable factory-built choppers in its class. It will be available globally in mid-2026, with optional accessories like custom seats, chrome accents, and performance exhaust upgrades for riders who want to personalize their Fury even more. Final thoughts. The 2026 Honda Fury Chopper isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement of individuality. It takes the rebellious spirit of the classic American chopper and refines it with Honda's trademark smoothness, reliability, and quality. The result is a motorcycle that's both fierce and forgiving, wild yet composed, and unmistakably unique. Here at Speed Society, we see the 2026 Honda Fury as the ultimate expression of style and soul, a bike built for riders who refuse to blend in. It's not just about going fast, it's about going your own way, in pure, unapologetic style.